How would you like to build wealth without even thinking about it? That's what Acorns promises, and after hearing so much about it, I decided to try it for a month to see if it actually works. And let me tell you, the results were a little surprising. Now, before we get into the numbers, let's quickly cover what Acorns is. It's a micro-investing app that automatically invests your spare change. Say you buy a coffee for $3.50. Acorns will round that up to $4 and invest the extra 50 cents into a diversified portfolio of ETFs. It's an easy way to start investing, especially for people who think they don't have enough money. The idea is that these small, consistent investments add up over time. So, what happened during my first month? Well, I started with a simple $5 deposit just to get things rolling. I also had the roundups turned on, and I chose to invest in the moderate portfolio, which is a mix of stocks and bonds. I kept a close eye on my account, but I didn't make any extra deposits. I really wanted to see what the spare change feature could do on its own. By the end of the first week, my roundups had accumulated to about $3.15. The app then automatically invested that money for me. It's a very hands-off process, which I really liked. After 2 weeks, my account was sitting at about $12.30. By the third week, my balance was at $16.75, and by the end of the month, I had a total of $21.50 in my account. Now, you might be looking at that number and thinking, okay, $21.50 in a month isn't a lot. And you're right, it's not. But here's the thing, it's $21.50 I didn't have before. It was all from spare change that would have otherwise just disappeared. I didn't feel like I was sacrificing anything, and the money was growing quietly in the background. So, what's my final verdict after 1 month? Acorns is an excellent tool for anyone who wants to start investing but feels overwhelmed or doesn't have a lot of capital. It makes investing feel effortless. You're not trying to time the market or pick individual stocks, you're just letting small amounts of money work for you. It's a great way to build the habit of investing. My biggest takeaway is that while the growth isn't explosive, it's consistent. This app is designed for the long term, not for quick gains. Over a year, or 5 years, those small amounts will compound and grow into something much more significant. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.